Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nidhi and I make video on fashion, beauty, fitness, lifestyle, vlogging, hacks and much more things. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna share a fitness video. So in this fitness video, I'm sharing how to remove the side fat. So 3 simple exercises for 30 days, and with these 3 simple exercises you can lose your side fat. So without any further ado, let's get started with the fitness. So these were the most simple 3 exercises to reduce the side fat and reduce the waist size. You can do these exercises every day for 30 days and 3 sets. Remember, you need to do the 3 sets of these 3 exercises. It will hardly take 5 to 6 minutes and you can get rid of the side fat, chubby fat. And stay healthy, stay like the video, then hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for all the notification, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram too. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching.